Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Fresha to Instagram. So first, you may want to head over to Fresha and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next, on the left panel, click on the settings icon, then click on business setup. So in your business details page, just scroll down to external links section and under Instagram, click on the add link. And from here, all you have to do is add in your Instagram URL to your website. Then once everything is done, just head over and click on save. This link will then appear on your store page that your clients or viewers may access so they can view and visit your Instagram account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.